Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to download Telegram on iPhone. Installing Telegram allows you to connect with friends and access a wide range of communication features on your iPhone. So, let's get started on how to download Telegram on iPhone. First, open the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Telegram and then tap on the search button on your keyboard. Once the Telegram app appears in the search list, tap on it to open its details page. Finally, on the Telegram app's details page, tap on the Get button. If you have previously downloaded the app, you might see a cloud icon with an arrow pointing downwards instead. Tap on it to download the app. And this is how you can download Telegram on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.